In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to make you addicted to being off your phone. 6 months ago, I was stuck in endless scrolling, short videos, constant messaging, losing hours without even realizing it for years. Then I made a few simple changes. I didn't delete every app, switch to a keypad phone, or disappear from the internet. Those changes cut my screen time by almost 80% and actually made me addicted to being away from my phone. And the best part, I got my focus back. My sleep improved, my mind felt calmer, and my life finally felt like mine again. So stick with me till the end because I'm going to share the exact 8 steps that I used and how they transformed my life and how it can for you too. But first, you need to hear what even sparked this change. About 6 months ago, I went on a 7-day yoga and meditation retreat. There was no social media, internet, work, or even distractions. It was just yoga, meditation, silence, observing the world around me, and a lot of time sitting with myself. And something strange happened. At first, it was uncomfortable, and the silence felt too loud. My mind kept wanting something to look at, something to check, something to escape into, and I was also ruminating a lot. But slowly, it started feeling peaceful. I realized I wasn't actually missing my phone, I was missing myself because I haven't gotten the chance to be with myself for almost years. But those 7 days, they changed everything. I realized my phone wasn't just stealing my time, it was stealing my attention, my peace, my patience, and my ability to be truly present. Before the retreat, I was constantly distracted, anxious, and stuck in fight or flight mode. That retreat flipped an internal switch for me. I then decided that there's no way I was going back to my old life. When I came back, I didn't make extreme changes. I started small, just enough friction to break autopilot habits. And here are the 8 simple steps that made all the difference for me. First, turn on focus mode or turn on desktop. Just stop letting every notification pull you away. Second, protect the first 30 minutes of your day. Don't give your mind to random noise or other people's lives first thing in the morning. Third, protect the last 30 minutes before you sleep. No scrolling. Let your brain slow down naturally. Fourth, create phone-free zones during workouts, meals, conversations, and deep work. 5. Train your algorithm. Search for what you want to learn, not what you want to escape into. Your feed reflects what you feed, and tonight just check your feed. You will know yourself. 6. Delay the urge to scroll or check phone by 10 minutes. Just tell yourself, not right now, 10 minutes later, and then decide if you still want to. 7. Replace scrolling with real activities that recharge you. Walk, journal, breathe, read, exercise, cleaning, cooking, working out, painting, or even talk to someone real. 8. Build boredom tolerance by spending at least 15 to 30 minutes a day with no input at all, so your brain gets comfortable with silence again. After a few weeks, I started noticing the difference in my life. Suddenly, I had so much more time. Time to be with people, learn, work out, or work on myself. My focus came back because I wasn't constantly training my brain to switch every few seconds. My patience improved too. I could actually sit through a book, movie, or a conversation without checking my phone constantly. I started enjoying silence and solitude, the very thing I used to completely avoid in my life. My sleep got better, and you know what? I averaged 7 to 8 hours of sleep for the past 6 months because I stopped overstimulating my brain all day and especially before bed. My anxiety felt lower because I wasn't constantly feeding myself non-stop comparison notifications and random information all day, and slowly I started living more intentionally. I stopped letting an algorithm decide what I saw, how I felt, and how I spent my time. And after 6 months, here's the biggest change of all. I don't crave my phone the way I used to. Being off my phone doesn't feel hard anymore. It just feels normal. That's when I realized something I never expected. I didn't just reduce my screen time, I rewired my brain to prefer my real life. To be honest, I became addicted to being off my phone. So here's my challenge to you. Don't quit your phone or delete your apps. That's extreme and unnecessary is what I feel. Instead, try these 8 steps for just 7 days. Turn on Do Not Disturb or Focus mode. Protect your mornings and evenings. Create phone-free zones. Train your feet. Delay scrolling. Replace it with meaningful activities and build boredom tolerance. Because most of us aren't truly enjoying scrolling, we are just avoiding silence. So give yourself just 7 days. 7 days to experience life with less noise. 7 days to reclaim your time. 7 days to remember how it feels to focus, rest, think clearly, and be present. And maybe, just maybe, you will discover what I did. Your phone wasn't the problem. Losing yourself in it was. Take back your attention, because when you do, your life starts feeling like yours again. Comment, challenge accepted if you're ready for a 7-day reset. And after those 7 days, don't quit the challenge, turn it into a lifestyle. And if you want to stay disciplined throughout these 7 days, watch this video next.